Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. In today's video, I am going to discuss you about the aptitude problems which might be helpful for you to crack many top companies examinations such as TCS, NQT and Infosys and InfyTQ like this. So this video will helpful for you to crack the first round of the company's examination. Aptitude round is the major part that plays an important role in hiring. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Now coming to the first problem, here you can see A can complete a work in 15 days and B can complete the same work in 30 days. If they work together and rupees 1200 is distributed among them, then find the amount A gets. The question is, they are asking the A's salary. Now here they are telling that A can complete the work in 15 days and B can also complete the same work in 30 days. But also they said that A and B are, and they also telling that 1200 is distributed among A and B, and now they are asking to find the A's salary. From this we can write that efficiency of A will be 1 by 15 and efficiency of B will be 1 by 30, right? Now if we calculate the A is to B, we will get 1 by 15 divided by 1 by 30. This will gives you 30 is to 15. From this we will get 2 is to 1. That means A is to B ratio is 2 is to 1, right? In the second statement, they are telling that if they work together and the rupees 1200 is distributed among them, that means this total is equal to 1200. That means A plus B are getting 1200, right? Now, if the salary be, let the salary be X, if the salary be X, then the A is getting 2X and the B is getting X. Now, this is equal to 1200. See, A's ratio is 2 and the B's ratio is 1, right? From this, we can get 3X equal to 1200 and we can get the value of X, that is 400. That means X value is 400. This X is the B's salary, right? You can see X is only, this is the A is to B ratio. This one is B's ratio and the B's ratio is X, right? So B's salary is 400. But they are asking the salary of A. Now the A's salary will be, A's salary is 2X, right? The X value is 400. Substitute 400 in the place of X and we will get the A's salary is 800. So option D is the answer, 800. Next one. A shopkeeper sells his articles at their cost price but uses a faulty balance. Faulty balance in the sense false one, like a mistake balance, which reads 1000 grams for 800 grams. What is the actual profit percentage? In this question, they are asking the actual profit percentage. We have a formula to calculate the profit percent for a wrong weight, and the formula is error divided by true weight minus error into 100. This is the formula in order to calculate the profit percentage. Now here the error value in the sense the actual weight minus mistake weight, false weight. 1000 is the actual weight, which is also called as true weight, right? Given that true weight is 1000 grams and the false weight is 800 grams. From this, the error will be true weight minus false weight. 1000 minus 800 will give you 200 grams. This is the error. Now substitute this one in the formula Error is the 200, and true weight in the sense actual weight is 1000. 1000 minus error 200 into 100. As they are asking the percentage, we need to multiply with the 100. Now 200 divided by 1000 minus 200 is 800 into 100. These two cancel, and 4 times, and this is 25 times. So 25% is the answer. Option B is the answer, 25%. Next one. A student buys a book at rupees 500 and sell it to his classmate at a profit of 25%. What is the selling price of a book? In this question, they are asking the selling price of the book. They have given the cost price. Buys a book in the sense cost price. And the profit, they have given the profit percentage as 25%. In order to calculate selling price, there is a formula that selling price is the SP, cost price is the CP into 100 plus profit percentage divided by 100. This is the formula. In the question, they have given that selling price of a book is 500 into 100 plus given profit percentage is 25% divided by 100. These two zeros cancel. 5 into 100 plus 25 is 125. From this, we can get we will get the value of selling price is 625 rupees. So selling price of a book is 625. Option C is the answer, 625. Next question. In what time will a train 100 meters long cross an electric pole if its speed by 144 km per hour? Here you can see this is in the meters and this is in the kilometers per hour. So the units are different. And at last we need to convert these units into one unit, right? Like either we have to convert this kilometer into meter, or else we have to convert this meter into kilometer. So the units should be equal. Here the 100 meters long in the sense distance, right? Distance or length. And given the train distance or length is 100 meters. And also the speed of the train. They have given that 144 kilometers per hour. Now we know the formula, and they are asking to find out the time. We know the formula, speed is equal to distance by time, right? As they are asking time, this can be written as time is equal to distance by speed, right? Now substitute these values in this formula. Time is equal to, what is the distance? Distance is 100 meters. Now speed, what is the speed? 144. Now this is in the kilometer per hour. I am going to convert it. So in order to convert it, we need to multiply with 5 by 18, so that it will convert into meters per hour. Meters per second, it will convert into meters per second. So time is equal to, from this, 100 into 18, 144 into 5. This will 5 20s and 2 10s, 72. This will be 4 times 18 fours, and now the time will be 10 by 4, and as the options are in the decimal, like a decimal forms, 10 by 4 in the sense 2.5 seconds. So the train time is 2.5 seconds. Option A is the answer, 2.5 seconds. Let's go to the next problem. The average height of the first 6 students is 170 centimeters. We know the formula for average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations, right? Now they are telling that average of 6 students. Given the average of 6 students is 170, and 6 students sum is, let it be S6, and the number of students are 6. So S6 equal to 6 into 170 will gives you 1020, right? Sum of 6 students is 1020. Now let's go to the next statement. The average height of the last 8 students is 175. Let the last 8 students be S8. The sum is S8. Now average, they have given the average of last 8 students is 175 and let it be S8. That means S8 in the sense we are calculating S1 plus S2 plus so on up to S8. Instead of writing all these terms, I am writing like this in the short form S8. So the number of students, number of observations are 8. So S8 value will be 8 into 175, which will give you 1400. So the sum of 8 students is last 8 students. Last 8 students is 1400. Now let's go to another statement. The average height of total 16 students. Now there are total 16 students. Up to now we have calculated 6 students and also 8 students. 6 plus 8 will give you 14 students. Up to now we have calculated 14 students only. 14 students only. Now in the next statement they are telling that the average height of total 16 students. That means there are total 16 students, and in this 16 students we have calculated the average of 14 students. 14 students. Now they are telling to like they have given the 16 students average. So 16 students average be x16 and the observation number of observations are 16 and the average given average is 180. So S16 is equal to 180 into 16, which will gives you 2880. So 2880, sum of 16 students. Now in the question what they are asking, find the average height of rest 2 students. Here we have calculated the 14 students and here we have calculated the total 16 students. Now how many remaining are there? 16 minus 14. 2 students are there, right? Now in the question also they are asking to calculate the height of these 2 students, average height. So we need to calculate the x2, right? The 2 students sum. There are totally 16 students are there. 6 students, 8 students and x2. We don't know the x2. Now we are going to calculate this x2. S6 is 2880 and S6 is 1020 plus S8 is 1400 plus x2. From this we can get the x2 value as 460. So we got the x2 value. Now we need to find the average of these 2 students only. So sum of average is sum of observations by number of observation. We need to calculate x2, like we need to calculate for these 2 only. They are asking to calculate the rest 2 students only, right? So average is equal to sum of 2 students. Sum of 2 students is 460 divided by how many number of observation, how many students are we are going to we are calculating now 2 students only, right? So 460 divided by 2, which will give you 230 centimeters. So this is the average height of rest 2 students, right? Hope you got this sum. So answer D is the option, 230 centimeters. Next question. In a family, there are 2 children, N and R. The ratio between the present age of N and R is 5:6. This is the present age, 5:6. Now, after 8 years, the ratio of their ages will be 7:8. After 8 years in the sense, we need to plus 8, right? After 8 years, their ages are their ages are in the ratio 7:8. Now what they are asking, find the total age of N and R after 10 years. Now let's calculate this one. When we cross multiply 8n plus 8, 7r 56, 8n plus 64, which will give us 7r plus 56, 7r minus 8n, 64 minus 56, right? 7r minus 8n, 8. So from this equation we got this one. Now here you can see, let the n value be 5 by 6 r. Now substitute this n here in this equation. 7r minus 8n equal to 8. N value is 8, 5 by 6 r equal to 8, right? 2 4s are 2 3s are. 7r minus 20r by 3 equal to 8. 21 minus 20. 21 minus 20 will give you r. So r value is 24. That means r age is 24. This is the present age of r. R age is 24. Now if we substitute r age here, n equal to 5 by 6 r, right? If we substitute r here, it gives you 6 4s are 24, 5 4s 20. That means n age is 20 and r age is 24. After, they are asking to find after 10 years. So after 10 years, in the sense we need to plus 10, we need to add 10 to this one. So after 10 years, the n age will be 30 and r age will be 34, right? Now what they are asking, total age of n and r. So we need to add these two. We need to add these two and we need to guess the option, right? So when we add these two, 30 plus 34 will give you 64. D is the option, 64. We need to find the total age of n and r after 10 years, right? Next one. In an election between two candidates, one got 55% of total votes, total valid votes. 20% of the votes were invalid. If the total number of votes was 7,500, the number of valid votes that the other candidate got was. This is one of the important concepts. Given the total number of votes, let it be TV, total votes are 7,500, right? Given 7,500. Now, in the two candidates, one got 55% of total valid votes. 20% of the votes were invalid. So these are the total valid votes, and they also given 20% of the votes were invalid votes. From this, that means these are the total votes, and we know that invalid votes were 20% of total valid votes, right? 7,500 will give you invalid votes. These are invalid votes. 20 by 100 into 7,500. So the invalid votes are, so 1,500 are the invalid votes. That means from the total votes, invalid votes were 1,500 only. Now from this we can calculate the valid votes, right? Now the valid votes will be 7,500 minus 1,500. That is 6,000, right? 7,500 are the total votes. From the total votes, we are subtracting the invalid votes, which will get, from this we will get the valid votes, and the valid votes are 6,000 votes. In this valid votes, one candidate got 55%, right? One candidate got 55%. Now they are asking to find the number of valid votes that the other candidate got. These are the valid votes, and in this valid votes, one candidate got 55%, right? Let the candidate be A. A got 55% of the valid votes, total valid votes. Now if we calculate the A's total valid votes, we can get 3,300 votes are the valid votes for A, right? Now from this, they are asking to calculate the other candidate vote. So let the other candidate be B, and they are asking to find the B's valid votes. So from the total valid votes are 6,000 and the A's valid votes are 3,300, right? From this, if we subtract, we will get the B's valid votes, right? B's valid votes. From this, we can get 2700. That means option A is the answer. So B got 2700 valid votes. So this is the option. Answer A. Next one. The ratio of number of boys and girls in a college is 7:8. If the percentage increase in the number of boys and girls be 20% and 10% respectively, what will be the new ratio? They are asking to find the new ratio, right? We know the total percentage. Let the total percent is 100. This is the 100. Now they are telling that boys increased up to 20%. That means boys increased up to 120%, 120%, and the girls increased up to 10%, right? So girls increased up to 10%. So 10% in the sense 110%, right? Now given that the number of boys and girls ratio is 7:8. So if we calculate the boys, so 7 into 120 by 100. So this will get cancelled. So let it be like this, 7 into 12 by 10. Now this is for the boys, and the girls be given the girls ratio is 8. So 8 into, and it is increased up to 110, right? 110%, 100. And this will gives you 8 into 11 by 10, right? Now they are asking to calculate the new ratio. So new ratio is 7 into 12 by 10 is to 8 into 11 by 10. This 10 gets cancelled. 4 2s, 4 3s. So 7 3s are 21 and 2 11s are 22. So 21 is to 22 is the new ratio of number of boys and girls. So option C is the answer. So this is all about this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sivathmika Chavali. Hope this video helps you a lot, and keep practicing these questions and keep practicing these model type questions. So definitely you will crack the exams, hiring examinations. All the best for everyone. Thank you for watching.